Stop buying zero-turn mowers based only on horsepower numbers and marketing claims. Many models look impressive in the showroom, but after a season or two, owners often face problems like transmission failures, deck vibration, uneven cutting, electrical issues, and expensive repairs. The truth is, no zero-turn mower has literally zero complaints. But after analyzing Consumer Reports data, dealer feedback, reliability trends, and long-term owner experiences, a few models consistently stand out with fewer problems and much higher owner satisfaction. In this video, we're breaking down the only 4 zero-turn mowers in 2026 that come closest to zero complaints based on reliability, durability, performance, and long-term value. Let's get started. Number 4. John Deere Z530M. When homeowners and property owners discuss zero-turn mowers built to deliver dependable performance year after year, the John Deere Z530M consistently stands out as one of the most trusted options available. Rather than relying on flashy technology or gimmicky features, this mower focuses on what truly matters: durability, reliability, and long-term value. From the moment you sit in the operator's seat, the Z530M feels solid and well-engineered, with a heavy-duty frame, responsive steering system, and quality components designed to withstand years of regular use. One of its greatest strengths is its reputation for longevity, making it an excellent choice for buyers who view their mower as a long-term investment rather than a short-term purchase. The mower's Excel Deep Cutting Deck delivers impressive cutting performance, producing an even, professional-looking finish across a wide range of grass conditions, while maintaining strong airflow for efficient clipping dispersal. Comfort is another area where the Z530M excels, featuring an ergonomic layout, supportive high-back seat, armrests, and intuitive controls that help reduce fatigue during extended mowing sessions. Many configurations are powered by a Kawasaki engine, a brand widely respected for smooth operation, fuel efficiency, and exceptional durability, further enhancing the mower's long-term reliability credentials. Another major advantage is John Deere's extensive dealer and service network, which makes finding replacement parts, routine maintenance, and professional support far easier than with many competing brands. While the Z530M does come with a higher price tag than many residential zero-turn mowers, its superior construction quality, dependable performance, strong resale value, and proven track record for durability make it a worthwhile investment for those seeking years of reliable service and minimal ownership headaches. Number 3. EcoPower Plus ZT4204L. The EcoPower Plus demonstrates how far battery-powered zero-turn mowers have evolved, offering a combination of performance, convenience, and low-maintenance operation that appeals to many homeowners. Unlike traditional gas-powered models, it starts instantly, operates with significantly less noise, and eliminates the need for fuel, spark plugs, and frequent engine servicing. Its dual electric motors provide responsive control and smooth acceleration, allowing users to navigate around landscaping features, flower beds, trees, and other obstacles with remarkable precision. The 42-inch cutting deck is well suited for medium to large residential properties, delivering a clean and consistent cut across a variety of grass conditions. Multiple cutting height adjustments make it easy to adapt to seasonal growth and different lawn preferences. The mower's battery-powered design also reduces vibrations, creating a more comfortable mowing experience during extended sessions. An integrated digital display keeps important information readily available, including battery status, operating modes, and performance settings. Owners already invested in the EGO ecosystem may appreciate the compatibility of the included batteries with other EGO outdoor power equipment, adding extra value to the purchase. While the mower provides impressive runtime for most residential applications, users with exceptionally large properties may need additional battery capacity or charging time to complete the job in a single session. Even so, the combination of quiet operation, strong cutting performance, precise maneuverability, and reduced maintenance requirements makes the EcoPower Plus a compelling alternative to many gas-powered competitors.
For homeowners seeking a modern zero-turn mower that balances efficiency, environmental benefits, and user-friendly technology, this model offers a practical solution capable of handling demanding lawn care tasks while delivering the convenience associated with advanced battery-powered equipment.
Number 2. Greenworks MZ546. The Greenworks MZ546 is an impressive battery-powered zero-turn mower that demonstrates how far electric lawn equipment has advanced in recent years. Backed by more than 2 decades of Greenworks experience in developing eco-friendly outdoor power equipment, this mower offers a strong combination of performance, convenience, and sustainability for residential users. One of its most notable advantages is its innovative battery system. The mower comes equipped with 6 high-capacity batteries and 3 chargers, allowing multiple batteries to charge simultaneously and significantly reducing downtime between mowing sessions. According to the manufacturer, the batteries can be recharged in as little as 90 minutes, making the MZ546 one of the more practical electric zero-turn options for homeowners with medium to large properties. Its intelligent power management technology automatically adjusts power output based on grass density and mowing conditions, helping maximize efficiency while maintaining consistent cutting performance. The mower also utilizes a brushless motor design, which reduces friction and wear compared to traditional motors, contributing to longer service life and lower maintenance requirements. Comfort has not been overlooked, as the high-back padded seat and foldable armrests provide a more relaxed riding experience during extended mowing sessions. An integrated LED headlight further enhances usability by allowing operation in low-light conditions during early mornings or late evenings. While the 42-inch cutting deck is somewhat narrower than many competing zero-turn models, potentially increasing mowing time on larger properties, it also improves maneuverability in tighter spaces and around landscaping features. The lap bar steering controls may require some practice for first-time users, but once mastered, they offer precise handling and excellent control. Suitable for properties up to approximately 2.5 acres, the Greenworks MZ546 delivers a compelling blend of modern technology, dependable performance, environmental benefits, and homeowner-friendly features, making it a strong contender in the electric zero-turn mower category for 2026. Number 1. Toro 77601. For homeowners searching for a premium zero-turn mower in 2026, the Toro 77601 continues to rank among the most well-rounded and reliable choices available. Designed with Toro's long-standing reputation for quality and innovation, this mower combines excellent cutting performance, operator comfort, durability, and user-friendly controls in a package that suits a wide variety of residential properties. One of its standout features is the exceptional ride comfort it provides. Many residential zero-turn mowers can feel harsh when operating over uneven lawns, but the Toro 77601 is equipped with an advanced suspension system that helps reduce shocks, bumps, and vibrations, allowing users to mow for longer periods with less fatigue. Its cutting deck is engineered to deliver a precise, even cut across different grass types and conditions, maintaining a professional-looking finish even when tackling thicker growth. The responsive steering levers contribute to smooth handling and make it easy to navigate around trees, flower beds, and other obstacles, which is especially beneficial for users who are new to zero-turn mowers. In addition to performance, the mower is built with durability in mind, featuring a sturdy frame and rugged deck construction that can withstand years of routine use. Maintenance is also relatively straightforward, helping owners keep the machine in top condition without excessive effort. Although the Toro 77601 costs more than many entry-level alternatives, its superior comfort, dependable performance, and solid construction provide excellent long-term value. While commercial landscapers or owners of extremely large properties may require a heavier-duty commercial machine, most homeowners will find that the Toro 77601 delivers an ideal balance of power, comfort, reliability, and mowing efficiency,
making it one of the strongest zero-turn mower options available in 2026.
So after analyzing reliability trends, dealer feedback, owner satisfaction, durability data, and real-world mowing performance, these are the 4 zero-turn mowers that stand above the rest in 2026. The Toro 77601 is the best overall zero-turn for balancing comfort, performance, and long-term reliability. The Greenworks MZ546 remains one of the safest long-term ownership investments available today. The Ego Power Plus ZT4204L delivers premium engineering and exceptional build quality for homeowners wanting the best residential experience possible. And the John Deere Z530M offers outstanding durability and value without unnecessary complexity. At the end of the day, the best zero-turn mower isn't the one with the biggest engine or the most aggressive marketing. It's the one that starts every weekend, cuts consistently season after season, survives years of use, and doesn't turn lawn care into a repair project. And in 2026, these 4 come closest to that ideal.